Hey everyone, I'm Basanta from Smart Tech Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access desktop version on your Samsung mobile. This needs a couple of things. You need USB-C to HDMI adapter or USB-C to DVI adapter, that's a display port. And also if you have a USB-C to multi-port adapter, and you can work with HDMI cable and that adapter on top of your mobile. But at least you need Samsung phone, USB-C to HDMI adapter. These are the two basic thing you need to access desktop on your Samsung mobile. Before getting started, please subscribe and share my channel. That's Smart Tech Guide. You can search on Google like YouTube:Smart Tech Guide and then the first line, that's my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe, or you can also enter youtube.com/4bbash. BIBASH. Please share and subscribe my channel and then click on the bell icon next to the subscribe for the future video, and that's the support you are doing so that I can continue working. Now let's get started with the demo. As I said earlier, it's like using the desktop mode that is called by Samsung as a Samsung Dex, DEX, and it's by default they placed it so that you can turn on all of your Samsung mobile into desktop mode whenever you need. For example, you are traveling and you are in vacation and you don't want to carry out the laptops, but you need to access some sites that you need to work on. You need to work on some old document. You cannot work on a small phone screen, but you can, if you have USB-C to HDMI adapter, you can plug in your phone into the TV on hotel room, and then you can start working on there. And one more thing I want to say is, if you want to work like that as a desktop, you probably need to carry wireless mouse and keyboards. It works without mouse and keyboards because you can use your phone as a mouse and keyboards as well as touchpad, but that's because of it's connected to the monitor. You have to sit very nearby and it's kind of clumsy. It's not that flexible. If you want more flexible, you may need to carry wireless mouse and wireless keyboard along with the USB-C hub. So with that, you connect USB-C hub to your phone, and then from there you can charge your phone, and you can get the HDMI to the TV. You can insert the USB device for the keyboard and mouse so that you can access them all at once. You don't have to worry about the phone. You can leave the phone and then carry wireless mouse and keyboard to your bed. You can access desktop. Let's get started. For that, I want to show you one video I just recorded before as a demo. How does it work? So I said all of the things that are required and how to connect. I'll show you that in the video. Yeah, here if you see, I just don't want to cover your path, so I just want to. So if you see this, it has desktop features. Of course it's a mobile and you cannot access all the desktop applications, but if you can still work with a lot of office documentation and everything, including you can watch movie in the big screen. You don't have to worry about the casting and everything. You can type in your mobile and then put it onto the HDMI, so it will go like that. You can type from your mobile as soon as you enter the text field for the typing, it pops the keyboard on your mobile. If you are on portrait or landscape mode, it will be easier, but if you are on portrait mode, it will be small keyboard, but still it works either way. You can use your phone as a mouse or trackpad. Basically either in landscape or the portrait mode. You can have additional mouse. As I said earlier, I have additional mouse here, but I don't have keyboard. That's why I showed a keyboard on the phone itself. This is one example of launching Chrome and playing video in his screen. Here again, this is the connection I have. I have connected my mouse with a small Bluetooth device on the USB-C hub, and USB-C hub is connected to TV using the HDMI cable, and it's connected to phone using this Type-C port. If you have just Type-C to HDMI connector and you don't want to access other keyboards and everything, you can just work with that one cable. But while you are working, you may need to charge your phone. In that case, again, you need multi-ports. So USB-C to multi-port hub is really useful in that scenario too. So this is just a demo I showed you here. Yeah, again, this is connected to charger, and one is HDMI cable. This is USB Type-C, same, and the same port is connected to the phone. I have mouse with a Bluetooth adapter. That's pretty much it is. If you have keyboard, you can plug in the Bluetooth device for the keyboard, and then you can go into bed. You don't have to carry your phone in that case. And this time I need phone because if I want to enter something, I need to have access to the phone for the keyboard. One more thing I forgot, you can actually access your phone for all the capturing. Sometimes you want to capture your activity on your phone, but you cannot capture with the camera itself. You can have third-party applications like screen recorder, AG screen recorder. I have one video on that. But with this technique, actually you can capture all of your activity from the phone. You can put it on some phone holder, and put it onto a movie, and then start the movie video. And then you can do all of the stuff. It will record the activity on the screen, that is from the phone camera, rear camera or front camera, doesn't matter. It works very well. I tried that too. It records the video from rear camera or front camera. Yeah, you can access also keyboard as well as trackpad side by side also on the phone. If you don't have mouse and keyboard, remote wireless mouse and keyboard, you can just work with the phone itself. The same passcode will be used for the lock. There are all the notification and system. Let me move my, 1 second. If you see, all these notification and control panels are there. The first 3 bars are notification bars, Wi-Fi and all those things, and yeah, that's pretty much it is. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share my channel and videos, like my Facebook page, and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to subscribe button to get notified of my future videos. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch. Feel free to comment if you like to know something or have feedback for me. Until next video, have a good time. Bye bye.